What the hell is going on? Oh.
New straw.
Bro, what's that thing you were holding? What is that?
This is the Hiccup straw.
It's a hiccup straw? Is that supposed to like stop your hiccups or something?
Yeah, it uses this little hole to create a negative pressure in your diaphragm, which stops hiccups.
So it actually works.
It works fantastic. I've never tried something this good before.
Do you like get hiccups a lot? Like
I
why?
get hiccups all the time.
Like why would someone buy that? Like is that just like
I
to
used
get
to use
hiccups a lot?
honey. I used to hold my breath. None of that worked, and I bought one of these for less than $20, and it has saved my life.
Damn, bro. Now I kind of want one of those. Where can I grab one?
Dude, I got you. I'll send you the link, and I can also put it right at the bottom of the video.